Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the area of the region bounded by the curves y equals to the absolute value of x and y equals to x squared minus number 2. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to wrap the function in here. So y equals to the absolute value of x. It should be like this. Y equal to x squared minus 2. The graph should be like this. Next, the area we need to find that should be about this one. Now we need to find the intersection of this one and this one. So about the absolute value of x, they can be like this. We have negative s when s is smaller than number 0. Y equals to s when s is greater than or equals to number 0. Now we have another function in here. So we have y and y. We can make the connections in here. And this one too. So I will put this one go to the left. Similar for this one. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have s equals to number 1 and s equals to negative number 2. This one, that is for s is smaller than number 0. So we need to accept about this one in here. Because negative number 2 is smaller than number 0. About this one, we have s equals to number 2 and s equals to negative number 1. About this one, that is for s is greater than or equal to number 0. So we need to accept about this one. So this one, that should be about negative number 2 to positive number 2. Next, we need to create two intervals from negative number 2 to number 0 and from 0 to number 2. About from negative number 2 to number 0, this one that is about upper and this one that is about the lower. We know that we need to use about the upper minus lower. About the upper in here, that is about negative s. About this one, that is about this one. Similar, this one that is about the upper, so we have s. The lower, that is about this one. So negative s square, negative and negative, we have positive number 2. This one we have negative s square plus number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. Number 2, we have 2s. And we put the bounds from negative number 2 to number 0. Now we can do similar for this one. Now we put number 0 gone here, negative number 2 gone here, and we have 10 over 3. About this one, we have 10 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.